Firstly, we import the component and input decorators from Angular's core library. The component decorator allows us to define a class as an Angular component. The input decorator allows the component to receive data from its parent component. Next, we'll get into the heart of our standalone component by defining it with the @component decorator. We start the @component decorator's metadata with the selector. This is the custom HTML tag that we'll use to insert our userCard component into a template. Here, it's defined as app_userCard. Now, we define the template. This is the HTML that'll be rendered for the component. Inside, we build out a div with a class of userCard. We use Angular's binding syntax to insert the user's avatar, name, and bio in the appropriate places. Within the styles array, we can write CSS that will style our component. It's scoped only to this component, preventing any accidental style leaks. Here, we're adding some basic styles to give our userCard a shaped, bordered look, and ensure the user's avatar image fits nicely into the card. Then we define the class userCard component. We decorate the user property with that input, which tells Angular that this property will be passed down from a parent component. The user object is expected to contain name, avatar, and bio properties which we'll use in our template. And there we have it. A standalone userCard component that's ready to be used throughout an Angular application. Just drop the app_userCard selector into a template and provide a user object, and you'll see the user's information displayed in a nicely styled card format.